Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, unfortunately the triangle is probably breaking here to the downside. It's not entirely confirmed because we haven't taken out the wave A low, but I already relabeled it into a normal ABC pattern. Did talk about that in the previous video. It could just be a normal ABC if we break below the previous swing low, which was here at 1327. Remember, in the previous video we looked at it as a possible ABCDE pattern here, A, B, C, D, E, and this is the moment where ideally we should have seen a move to the upside if it as an Elliott Wave triangle, but it didn't, and therefore we go back to the more simple ABC structure here, which also makes sense. Remember in the previous video I had a little bit of a doubt about the triangle, even though it looked quite nice, but the idea that we came, or the fact actually that we came down here quite impulsively, probably made the triangle in the end not the suitable pattern. But you know, still no change here currently to the overall scenario. It is still, in contrast to Bitcoin, which actually broke support, Ethereum didn't. Yes, Ethereum unfortunately broke out of the channel, but that rather suggests at the moment that wave 4 is not finished yet, and it allows for a deeper wave C to the downside. Ethereum is quite far away from breaking key support. So again, as long as we're holding $1,300, we can stay with the current scenario, no problem. The overall target will come down a bit, yeah, and we will be able to redefine that as we go lower. This currently doesn't look like it's finished. Yeah, in line with Bitcoin, I would now expect a little bit of a deeper pullback. Possibly again deeper into the green support area, maybe even below the wave A low, which is at 1315. 1315 is now also the next support, but if it's an ABC pattern, especially here, because we broke yesterday briefly above the previous high, so that actually makes it fairly likely that we had here an ABC structure. Why do I not consider this a wave 4 low and then the wave 5 high? You know, we can't rule it out. I have to tell you, we cannot rule it out. The reason why I'm not doing it is because this move up was not impulsive. Yes, it could have been an ending diagonal, but then I have to say it would have been a very weak wave 5. Now, we've seen these before, but again, that is the uncertainty in the market. You know, there's no 100% certainty here. This could already be complete. Then we would basically be in the same count as Bitcoin. Okay. If we say, okay, wave 3 was already in, now I moved the whole thing, which I didn't want to do, but then we'll say wave 3 was already in, which could be the case. Yeah, I'm not going to say it's not possible, but we won't know until we are breaking below the $1,300 level. Okay, so if we now break below 1,300, we are most likely already in this wave 4. We're already a step further ahead in the count. I could give you already a key support area for that one, just in case, you know, just in case that you're prepared, because I want to prepare you for all scenarios. So what does that mean? It means that if we are already in the green wave 4, then we have a different support area, which means should we break below 1,300, then we still have chance to move higher in this fifth wave, as long as we're holding the 50% retracement of the larger count, which is at 1265. However, that means if we drop below 1265, most likely this rally is over, and we could come down and retest down here somewhere the $1,000 level. I will certainly keep you updated. We are not entirely clear on this. At the moment, we have to go with the, in my opinion, let's say the next scenario, which is the one that is on the chart already, the most reliable one, the most likely one, which is the that we are still in the third wave, the ABC, and that we are still in this green support area and that we're going to hold it. We have to assume it at the moment, but need to be prepared that we are already in the other one. Okay, so in that case, you know, I wouldn't really be aggressive here. I wouldn't use leverage. Might set a stop loss quite close below that green support area and then see what happens. Bear in mind that if we are in the green one, those support areas do overlap. Yeah, which makes it quite tricky at the moment in this particular situation to have a very clearly defined support level. Don't know if you realized, but you can see this is normally the support area for the wave 4, for the green one, between 1264 and 1306, which again shows you that we have two support areas which are overlapping here. If I now draw the support area for the green wave 4, you have an overlap, which creates a massive support area, which makes it tricky, which means we need to pay particular attention to the individual key Fibonacci support levels. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.